Meet Michelle. She's the head of Global Tech, Strategy, and Innovation at a large financial services organization. She's got a challenge to solve. Okay, maybe it's more than one challenge. She needs to improve customer engagement, modernize appointment scheduling, provide enterprise-level tools, and track key metrics. SUMO Scheduler offers a solution that seems to fit the bill. Let's take a closer look at how SUMO Scheduler can help a financial services organization like Michelle's solve those challenges. Michelle needs to improve customer engagement across all channels. SUMO Scheduler makes it easy for customers to schedule meetings themselves from any website or social media page on any device. Michelle's team can reduce cancellations with automated reminders and rescheduling. She'll be able to reduce admin time with customizable data fields that automatically capture customer information. No external connectors are needed, so sensitive customer data stays in Salesforce. Michelle also needs to modernize how her company schedules appointments. With SUMO Scheduler, her team can easily schedule in-person and group appointments from any Salesforce cloud or object. Agents can even create a personalized invite link with a calendar for customers to select the time that works best for them. When it comes to providing enterprise-level tools, SUMO Scheduler delivers. Appointments and events can be managed on a single platform, and users can quickly send a registration link to attendees. Michelle's team can customize scheduling flows and group resources according to availability, location, and skill set. A scalable multi-user set of tools makes managing appointments on behalf of other team members a breeze. SUMO Scheduler is easy to set up, so users can quickly connect calendars and set real-time availability. With SUMO Scheduler, Michelle gets visibility into key metrics to help her make better-informed decisions. Highly configurable out-of-the-box reports and analytics make it easy to track appointments by type, event metrics, and more. Plus, automated data collection provides immediate visibility into ROI and performance. Michelle is convinced that SUMO Scheduler is the right fit to help her company reach its strategic goals faster. Smart Michelle, very smart. Check out SUMO Scheduler on AppExchange to learn more.